Hey everybody, Mark here. I just wanted to give you a quick video overview of how to use the baby Koala Bank file. I've got it open here in Illustrator and I just wanted to go through the pieces real quick. Looks like a lot, but it's pretty easy to do. Starting from the far left, this one right here is your back piece, the one that goes on the very back. And then these next three, you're going to cut from what I suggest. You should cut from 1/4 inch material. So this 1, 2, 3. And this one in the middle has the tab that goes into the base. So if you happen to choose to use thinner material, you might need to adjust that tab, but probably not. So you got, again, the back piece. These three are what I call spacers, which you're going to use 1/4 inch material for. This one right here is going to be cut out of acrylic, which I recommend 1/8 inch clear acrylic. Then this one here that's upside down, I've got these this way so that they take as little space as possible, even though he's got a huge head. This one is going to be what I'm going to call your top piece, which is going to be 1/8 inch material. And then here's all the extra pieces that go on top of that. So here, this round one is going to be what I'm going to call the face. It goes right here. And again, you're going to see this all in the overview video as well. These are the ears. And then the feet here, when you cut these out, of course, you're going to have these all these toes and pads here. What I did was I painted those black, and then the feet stayed gray. And then when you stick them on these spots right here, you can put the black foot pads back in there. Of course, these are the two what I call hands that go right here. And then the final items that you have here is you got the eyes right here that are going to be white. You paint the pupils black. This one is the piece that goes behind the nose right here. And then here's the nose that goes right on top of it right there. So that's all the pieces. And of course, then you have the base. And if you need to, you're going to adjust this slot right here to fit whatever width of material that you have. So that's all the pieces. I hope that helps.